Hello, Rishi and kids. How are you all? Today, in this video of ours, we are going to learn about our Earth. What is Earth? Earth is our home. We stay on Earth. Earth is a planet. What is a planet? A planet is a celestial body which revolves round the sun. There are 8 planets which are revolving round the sun. And out of these 8, the third one from the sun is Earth. And you know what? Earth is the only planet where life exists. Earth is having land and water. And all over the earth, it is surrounded by air. So it is surrounded by air, atmosphere, that is called atmosphere, blanket of air around the earth. This is earth. It is spherical. It is having rocks, land, and water on it. And this is solar system. And see, the third planet from the sun is our Earth. Earth is the only planet which supports life. On Earth, we have animals and plants. Earth has got long, high mountains, deserts, and these mountains are covered with snow. Then deep in the ocean, you will find fish. So there is life on Earth. Many types of animals and plants live on Earth. Earth has air around it, and this earth is revolving round the sun. And what is the shape of the earth? The shape of the earth is spherical. It's not like a ball. It's like it is flattened at the poles. So it is like orange. And 2/3 of our earth is water, and 1/3 of our earth is land. Our earth is called blue planet because 2/3 of the earth is water. The earth is surrounded by air, and that is called Earth's atmosphere. This is the air around the earth, and this air is having nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. We need oxygen for our survival. So this earth is having plains where the people live. Earth atmosphere protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. So because of the atmosphere, we are protected from the harmful rays of the sun. It traps the heat of the sun and keeps the earth warm. This is our planet Earth, which is not round. It is flattened at the poles and the shape is spherical. Now about Earth. It is the third planet in our solar system. So after the sun, there is Mercury, Venus, and Earth. So our Earth is the third planet in solar system. It is the only planet which has life. It is also called the blue planet as two-thirds of its surface is covered with water. It is spherical in shape. The model of the earth is called the globe. So this is the globe. See, this is the globe. And this globe is the model of the earth. It has many landforms. It has water and it has land. And what are the different types of landforms? What are landforms? Landforms are the natural features of land on the earth. And what are these landforms? These are plains, mountains, hills, forests, deserts, plateaux, and valleys. So these are the different landforms, types of landforms. These are mountains, very high. And these are hills. They are not very high, slightly lower in height than the mountains. Valleys, desert, plains, and plateau. Plateau is like a tabletop. Now, hills. Hills are highlands. They are called hills. They are smaller than the mountain and they do not have steep sides like mountains. Mountains are very highland with steep sides. You will find steep sides in the mountains, but not in the hills. The topmost part of the mountain is called peak and the peaks are usually covered with snow. See the snow covered peaks of these mountains. These are the diagrams of mountain. Mountain with steep sides and hills don't have steep sides. Plains. Plains are the flat area of lands. They cover more than one-third of the world's land area. These areas are highly populated. Why? Because of the conducive climate. Good climate. That's why you will find lot many organisms staying in this region. Because of the vegetation and climate, these areas are highly populated. Now, what is a valley? Valley are a V-shaped low-lying area between the two mountains or hills. So, between the two mountains or hills, the area which is present, it is called valley. What is plateau? Plateau are large highlands flat at the top, tabletop, flat at the top like a table. So they are even called tableland because of the tabletop appearance. See here the valley, and inside this valley there is a river flowing there between the two hills, between the two mountains or the hills. Desert. Now, deserts are vast area of dry lands. They are covered with sand. They are the hottest area in the world. Rains are very less here, and so very few plants grow here, like cactus. And forests are the large areas of land with tall trees and thick bushes. They are the home to many wild animals. What are the different sources of water? The different sources of water are rivers, lakes, ponds, waterlands, waterfalls, glaciers, snow on the mountains, sea, ocean, and the lakes, the tube wells, and our home tap. That is also source of water for us. In home, we get water from the tap. What are the different sources of water? Two main sources of water are found on the earth: surface water and underground water. Surface water are the water bodies which are found on the surface of the earth, like sea, ocean, lake, rivers, etc. And underground waters are the water that seep inside the earth. And they are called underground water because they are under the ground. So they are taken out from the ground with the help of tube wells and wells. Surface water, pond. Pond is a small body of water surrounded by land. And lake is a large body of water. They are also surrounded by land on all sides. And this is waterfall. Water falling from a height. That is called waterfall. River, large flowing body of water that empties into sea or ocean. The river goes and meets the sea or ocean. And sea and ocean, their water is salty. Underground water, hand pump, well, tube well. These are the underground water, and these underground water can be used by using pumps. The hand pump is there. The water pumps are used to take out this underground water. Now, what is the difference between fresh water and seawater? Fresh water is used for all daily activities. We use at home fresh water for cooking, drinking, bathing, because we cannot use seawater for that. Drinking, we cannot drink seawater because seawater is full of salts. It is saline water. Now, how can we take care of our planet Earth? We have to plant more and more trees so that we will get more and more oxygen. It will keep our environment clean. We should not waste water. We should decrease the air and water pollution. We should keep our surroundings clean. We should avoid wasting paper. We should stop using plastic bags. We should take care of animals and birds, and we should not cut down the trees and forest because forests are very important for us. Forests are home to the wild animals, so we should not cut trees. Okay, now let's revise what we have learned in this chapter, our Earth. What are the new words which we have learned? Globe. Globe is the model of the Earth. This is globe. Model of the Earth. This is called globe. Model means same. Model is same like a short form. Like globe is a model of the earth. Earth is very big, but globe is small, but it is a model. So it is showing how the earth looks like. Planet is what? The celestial body which revolve around the sun. And sun and its 8 planets, they are in solar system. Our earth is also a planet. Necessary. Mountains. What are mountains? Mountains are the high land. Very high land is called mountain with a peak. Valleys. What are valleys? The place between the area between two mountains or two hills is called valley. Plains. What are plains? Which are straight, flat, not high. So these are called plains. Peak. Peak is the pointed and high point of the mountain is called peak. Throughout, everywhere. Plateau is a tabletop like structure. It is also called tableland. Relatively means in comparison to. Desert is the land which is covered by sand and it is dry. So who is the shape of the desert? Camel. And what are the plants we find in desert? Cactus. We don't find many green plants in desert because there is scarcity of water in desert. Regions. There are different regions on our earth. Oceans. Oceans are the large bodies of water. Sources, water sources like rivers, lakes, wells. These are the sources of water. Underground. Underground means below the ground, below the surface of the earth. Underground water. Available. Available means it is there. It is available there. Wrapped. Wrapped means covered up. Wrapped. Surface. Surface is the top layer. Surface. Presence. It is present there. It's called presence. Define the terms. Globe. Globe is a small model of the earth. Valley. What is valley? Valley is the low-lying area between two hills or mountains. Between two hills or two mountains. It is called valley. Plateau. Highland that is flat on top and looks like a table is called a plateau or tableland. What is desert? Desert are hot and dry lands covered with sand. These areas get very little or no rainfall. So there is scarcity of water. Answer the following questions. Why is Earth called the blue planet? Earth is called the blue planet because 2/3 of its surface is covered with water. Why is seawater not fit for drinking? Seawater is not fit for drinking as it is very salty. Name the sources of fresh water and what it used for. The sources of fresh water are rain, ponds, lakes, rivers, wells, etc. It is used for drinking, cooking, washing, and cleaning. How is underground water taken out? Underground water is taken out by digging wells. We dig wells or by using hand pumps or tube wells. So with the help of the hand pumps and tube wells, we take out the underground water. Write any 5 ways we can take care of our planet. The 5 ways to take care of our planet are: we should not cut down trees but plant more of them. We should plant more and more trees. We should not waste water. We should keep our surroundings clean. We should not harm the birds and animals. We should not pollute the air and water. So this is how we can take care of our planet Earth. Now that we have learned about our Earth, let's do this worksheet. Take the correct answer. Very high hills are called mountains. Very high hills are called mountains. The V-shaped land between two hills or mountains is called valley. V and V, valley. Dash is not a source of fresh water. Sea. Sea is not a source of fresh water. Sea is marine water, which is salty. Sea water is not a source of fresh water. Water falling from a height forms a waterfall. When it is falling from a height, it is called waterfall. Only 1/3 of the planet is land. 2/3 is water and 1/3 is land. Dash are the most populated area on the earth. Plains. Plains are the most populated area on the earth because plains are, the climate is conducive, the weather is good, and there is plantation. That's why that plains are most populated area on earth. Now answer in one word. Flat areas of land, plains. Blanket of air surrounding the earth, atmosphere. Tip of the mountain usually covered with snow. Peak. Peak. Model of the earth. Globe. Vast area of land covered with sand. Desert. Large water bodies surrounded by land from all the sides. Lake. Cleanest form of fresh water. Rainwater. When rainwater comes, it is the cleanest form. Largest water body on the surface of the earth. Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest water body on the surface of the earth. Now you have to write true or false. And if the statement is false, correct it. Planet is the part of the solar system. True, because Earth is a part of the solar system. True, because Earth is planet and Sun and its planets are solar system, part of solar system. Water protects us from the harmful rays of the sun? No, it is false. Air protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. The atmosphere around the earth protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. The blue part of the globe shows land. False. The blue is all blue part is water. Match the column. Range of mountains. Himalayas. Desert. Which is the desert? Thar Desert. Forest. Which is the forest here? Sundarbans. Plateau. Deccan Plateau. Valley. Which valley is there? Valley of Flowers. River. Which river? Brahmaputra is a river. Which sea? Arabian Sea. Which ocean? Indian Ocean. Identify the given landforms and water bodies. Now, which landform is this? Hills. Hills. And this is valley, which is covered from hills from both the sides. These are mountains. The third one is mountains. And the fourth one is waterfall. Waterfall. Now, do you think that the people are doing what the people are doing in the picture is right? What are these people doing? They are washing the clothes, washing utensils near the water body. So they are using the water of the water body, the river, to wash the clothes, to wash the utensils, and they are throwing garbage in the water. Why? Why are they doing this? Is this right? No, this is not right. They should not do all these things in river, in any bank of any water body, because all these activities they are contaminating. They are making the water dirty. And when the water becomes dirty, this dirty water will be supplied to our homes, and the life which is there in the river, the aquatic life, the fish, the other plants of the water body, they all will die because of this dirty water. So we should not make the water of river, lake or pond dirty by washing clothes or washing utensils on the bank of river or on the sides of the pond and lake, because that makes water dirty and we should not contaminate the water. This is polluting the water. And once we have polluted the water, the aquatic life will die. The fish, the turtles, and the aquatic plants which are growing there, which are surviving in that water body, they will die. And this dirty water is of no use. So we should not make the water polluted. So these activities should be stopped. We should be aware, and we should make others also aware that these things should not be done. The chapter Our Earth. This earth, beautiful earth. So today we learned about our planet Earth, where we are living. So this is our home. We have to protect it. We have to keep the land and water clean and pure. We have to keep our surroundings clean. We have to take care of our planet Earth and keep it green and beautiful. So I hope you liked this chapter. It was very interesting. Enjoy.